This is a great list of things to do in London. Here's a slightly expanded version with more detail and suggestions to help someone plan their trip. Explore the Tower of London. What to expect: a historic castle with a dark and fascinating past. See the crown jewels allow ample time for this? Learn about famous prisoners, Anne Boleyn, anyone? And meet the Ravens. Legend says if they leave, the kingdom will fall. Consider a guided tour to get the most out of the experience. Book tickets online in advance to skip the line. Time needed, at least 3 hours, potentially more, depending on your interest level. Tip: arrive early in the morning to avoid the largest crowds. Ride the London Eye. What to expect: stunning panoramic views of London. On a clear day, you can see for miles. The ride itself takes about 30 minutes. Time needed, allow 1 to 2 hours, including queuing time. Tip: book tickets online in advance to save time and potentially money. Consider a sunset ride for a magical experience. Wander through the British Museum. What to expect: a vast collection of world art and artifacts. You could easily spend an entire day here, so prioritize what you want to see. Highlights include the Rosetta Stone, Elgin marbles, and Egyptian mummies. Time needed, at least half a day, ideally a full day. Tip: download the museum app for a guided tour and to help you navigate the vast collection. Catch a show in the West End. What to expect: world-class theater productions from musicals like The Lion King and Wicked to classic plays and contemporary works. Time needed, allow at least 3 to 4 hours, including travel time to and from the theater. Book tickets well in advance, especially for popular shows. Check out TKTS for discounted last-minute tickets. Stroll through Hyde Park. What to expect: a large, beautiful park in the heart of London. Rent a boat on the Serpentine Lake, visit the Diana Memorial Fountain, or simply relax and enjoy the greenery. Check for events happening during your visit. Time needed: a few hours or longer if you want to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Tip: pack a picnic to enjoy in the park. Visit Buckingham Palace. What to expect: the official residence of the Queen or King. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Check the schedule beforehand as it doesn't happen daily. Or take a tour of the state rooms during the summer opening. Time needed: 1 to 2 hours for the changing of the guard, several hours for a staterooms tour. Tip: arrive early for the changing of the guard to secure a good viewing spot. Book staterooms tickets well in advance. Explore the National Gallery. What to expect: a world-renowned art museum with masterpieces from centuries past. Focus on specific artists or periods,